Doug Dixon taxiing out in his Hornet for his first flight of the day. And he's in the air. The Hornet is coming home. Oh, nice one. Jerry Holcomb took over the flying the last half of the flight. Okay, Earl on, he's got his Corsair here, and he's going to show us how these flaps work, right, Earl?
Okay.
There's the flaps.
Split flaps.
And you say you got a tail hook you're going to do for us? No. Oh, he belongs to the Tail Hook Society. Tell us about that society, Earl.
No.
I think this is from the Bob Holman set plans.
Okay, this is Earl on his first flight of his Corsair today. She's up. Gear up. Look at concentration on Earl's face there. Earl's coming by with his gear down, flaps down.
Tail hook down.
Okay, this is going to be a down and dirty low pass by Earl with his, everything's down, even the tail hook. Okay, Earl's going to do a touch and go for us, first one today. Look at that. Perfect as usual.
A 10.
All right, gear up. Corsair. Okay, gear down, Earl. Look at that. He does anything I tell him. Very nice. Okay, Earl's doing a carrier landing on this trip. Circle to the left. Come in steep. Look at that. Very nice. Very well done. Look at this motley crew we got here.
Right.
Even Daryl Usher came out to see us.
This is the critics' corner.
Yeah. Dennis Meyer and Severo Gill and his friend. Okay, we got Jerry Holcomb in his electric P39 Airacobra. Yeah, that's good, a nice circle. That's nice. Good. He's down. Very good. Spitfire. Seahawk. Earl's going to do a touch and go for us. No, I think he's going to taxi back. Spitfire. Oh, nice and smooth. Larry Smith and Art Newland helping out Earl Awney here. This is Dave Rawlings, Neuport 11. And this is Bob Robinson's Feisler Stork. Dead stick on Bob Burnett's Feisler Stork. Bob Robinson, sorry. Uh-oh. Well, there's more people now. It's Sunday afternoon. About 18 planes, 18 scale planes here, 18, 19.
The Fern Prairie Modeler.
Okay, Jim Weaver's going to hand launch this Seahawk for Jason Tate. We keep telling him not to do it because we want him to save it for the Seaplane Championships at Pine Hollow Reservoir. Weekend after 4th of July. He's away. Okay, I've hired a professional pilot to fly my Royal Air Force BE-2E, a Royal Air Force. That's Royal Aircraft Factory. And he does know how to land it. Drag a wing, but last time he did pretty good. Learning to fly all over again. He's been out of it for so long.
Jerry Nelson.
Okay, he says he's going to land this one into the wind this time. Oh, come on. Okay, we're going to give Jerry one more chance. This is a Royal Aircraft Factory BE-2E.
My beater.
Scales kid out of West Germany. Loop-de-loop. And said he'd do another one for me right away here. Yeah, there's another one. Okay. Very good. Now we're going to do a left spin. Engine 94 stroke. 17 years old. Okay, I've given Jerry specific instructions to land short and taxi up. Looks good so far. Oh, I forgot to take that up trim out of the elevator, Jerry.
I can handle it.
He's down. Okay,
Jerry flunked.
Stork is taxiing out again. STOL takeoff. Oh, dead stick again, huh? Okay. This is Charlie Reinhardt's Waco, and this is his little pup. What's his name?
Little bit.
Little Bit, okay. Getting back to the airplane now. This hasn't flown today, but it sure is a beauty.
That's been flown this morning.
Oh, this morning, earlier, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice airplane. Good colors, too. I love them.
That's the Piker kit.
This is Larry Smith's BF-109. Hasn't flown today. Sure looks nice. Here we got an up-and-coming scale pilot, right?
Yes.
You, I'm talking to you.
Won't be long.
Good man, he came out to scale flying.
Yeah, he can,
Best kind.
He can keep it in the air.
This is Michael Olson. Yep. You gonna fly today, Michael?
Yeah, if I can.
Okay.
Later on, yeah.
Keep it up, kid. Okay, we got Art Newland flying Ted Morris's SNJ. Larry Smith's gonna call for him.
Nice to see you, Tim.
Earl, can you tell us what's inside these airplanes?
Stuff.
This is the stuff that Earl's talking about. servos. And battery packs and receivers, and gas tanks, engines. SNJ, beautiful colors. What are you gonna do with this airplane, Jerry?
We're gonna make a 10-degree flat takeoff and fly around.
You guys ready to go home?
Yeah, let's go eat. We want to go eat.
Well, we want to thank the Fern Prairie Modelers for having us out here today.
That would be
Jason, I want to thank you for having us out here today.
Not a problem, man.
And this will be the first annual?
Yeah, I think it'll go even better when they advertise it.
Okay. Well, we're going to head out. We'll see you guys next time, huh?